Creativity is growing increasingly important in our world. We need to grow creative problem solvers, collaborators, people who can envision stronger futures, innovators, people who see possibility and challenges, people who can instigate positive change in this world. As a teacher, you are influencing the lives of those young people that will grow to face some of history's biggest and most fascinating and impactful challenges. At the same time, many of today's students feel unmotivated and distracted in today's classrooms. Teachers are caught between a rock and a hard place, needing to cultivate creative mindsets in their students and work with increasingly strict standards and test-driven curricula. The good news is this simple truth. Creativity thrives in a classroom when the teacher values it. The power of a teacher is far greater than we give credit, and a teacher's capacity to demonstrate their value of creative thinking can overcome rigid requirements and bring creativity to life in the classroom. We want to invite you to join our inaugural cohort of educators from all over the world to learn just what it means to value creativity in a classroom. What makes up creative thinking? How can we set up a physical space that encourages creativity? What processes, tools, and skills promote new valuable ideas? How do our interactions in school affect creative thought and action? What can we do to bring creativity to the forefront of the teaching and learning experience? We have put together a groundbreaking creativity certification program for teachers. We're inviting all educators who are driven to inspire, encourage, and cultivate creativity with the aim of empowering students to learn and embrace who they are, to develop their unique capacities to contribute to the world, and to create bravely. Teachers that join us will become part of a worldwide network of creatively minded educators with which to share ideas, techniques, questions, victories, and challenges. You get access to a comprehensive program along with perks and support from FableVision Learning throughout the year. And in the end, you receive a certificate and badge as an official Certified Creative Educator. Will you join us? Let's bring creativity to the world, one classroom at a time.